Hello friends, I'm Kim Passable. It's time to get back to working on the van. I can't get to No Name Nationals unless I have my van running to take me there. Last time I was driving the van on a rainy day, my foot got very cold and wet. I looked at it in the way that you look at something that you don't want to see. So I've known it was there under the carpet lurking. I'll just show you and then I can show you what I do. Water and rust is forming in those places. Here, I'll show you. You don't have to wait any longer. The emergency brake cable comes out of the way, luckily. Very nice. And there she is. There's a little hole. You know, that's got another couple years in it, I think. This is, you know, that's bad. Let's see. You know, none of this is beautiful, but it doesn't have holes yet. That's today, or maybe a couple days worth of stuff to do. Always more to do, I guess, but for the better, it will come together. We'll get it. Yeah, it's rough. We knew the job was dangerous when we took it. We'll get it cleaned out and we'll make something happen here. Next time someone tells you they have a great restorable classic that just needs floor pans. All right, super high view videos. Everybody loves watching me hammer on stuff. Oh, that's bad. Stop. Anytime now, you can stop. Damn it. All right, let's see what we can cut. This is a really garbage angle underneath. There's some more dandruff. It's a nice pile right there, huh? Yeah, just a tiny little hole. We'll get that right patched right up. All right, now that we have some of the stuff out of the way, let's see if we can use the power snips. Angles are tough. It's kind of a corner spot here, but I want to get a little bit into a little bit thicker material because there's rust through. From the bottom, you'll be able to see what I'm doing though, I think, from the bottom. Careful, sharp. Well, okay. Works. You heard it here, folks. Power shears are a good tool. You know, this is a lot of work. Pay attention, Duddy. This is how we do it in the Rust Belt. Starter. This first piece is going to give us something to build on. And it goes right in there somewhere. Nibble some of this out. Yes, I am eyeballing it. The eyeball-o-meter. That's pretty slick. It's gonna get us in there. Try and cover this hole. A nice long piece. Get it in there. Make it look easy. We want this to be good and tight. We're putting a lot of screws in there because there's going to be a lot of water splashing, you know. That's how this works. These ones here, we're gonna depend on these a lot because I don't want to put too many screws. As the further I go over here, I'm gonna have to like cut them off or something, or else they're gonna be poking through the carpet and stuff. And so I'm gonna use a couple over here, but I'm also gonna use some. I might even poke some back through from this way, but I have to be careful putting stuff through because something will rub into or scrape into a tire. Like you hit a bump and the tire will like jump up in it, you know. I don't have to explain how suspension works or steering works, you know. You got to keep it up in there. I took out this plastic, you know, so, whoop, oh, shaky, shaky, shaky. Okay, I took out this plastic, but it goes up in here and covers some stuff as well. So a lot of that will get covered. That's going to be good. But we want to get some metal, and we're just going to throw a bunch of like really sticky putty caulk stuff on it so that it seals from water and gas so that we are safe. Got this and I wrapped it around. You see how it's got a curve to it? So I needed to make some reinforcement so it's not like floppy under there. Okay, first thing I did is I made a cardboard. I just held this cardboard under here and then marked it with a Sharpie, cut, bent on that line. And then this piece is going to go, I can show you where this piece is going to go. This piece is going to go, can you see? Okay, it's going to go down in here, if I can get it to go. And then I can put, I can put screws. See, it's, can you see it? It's going to be right there. Be right there underneath. Okay, and put screws into those tabs. Okay, and then just caulk that seam. That's going to give us a nice weather-tight seal so that when we're driving and there's water splashing, that it's not going to splash up. And then I'm going to have to do floorboard down on top of it, but you know, one thing at a time. First we can seal out the water and then we can seal out the air. I have plans tonight. I'm going to do karaoke with my friend, and that's important too. You can't all work and no play makes Kim a dull lady. Thanks for watching. I'll have more on this particular stage next time. I like to keep these short. I don't find them terribly educational or interesting. They're just sort of like progress, and I don't like to belabor progress. It's just like, this is what I'm doing, a little more, a little more, a little more. I got some nice warm days in the next week coming up, so there'll be more videos, and that's how it's going to go in fits and starts until spring officially arrives. I do have a good bead on a garage for working. The van won't fit, but the little green car will fit, and the motorcycle will fit. So that could be coming in the next month here. Once I get electric. I got to run electric from the house out to the garage because it's a detached garage. But that is coming very soon. And I have... That's it. I'll see you next time.